And I just think that it's so cool that you have meshed so well, not only in our world, but found your spot within it. Because something else a lot of people don't realize is drag racing is not just one circus, although we are a traveling circus, but there's a lot of subdivisions within it. And so I'm super glad that you've found your home, and I found your spot and your groove. And it's been so fun to watch you run. And before we wrap this up, I just want to say on a personal level that I know this is going to sound a little cheesy, but you have changed drag racing, and we've always just kind of flown under the radar, been okay with that, been kind of NASCAR's stepbrother. And it's never been something we've strived to prove any different, but it just goes to show you that everything happens how it's supposed to happen, and the right people get in the right place at the right time to make things happen. And so I think I can speak fully for the drag racing community that we are so glad that you chose us to be able to do this next adventure with. And we hope you stick around for a really long time.
Yeah, that's I guess what my only solid plan is. I want to be here a long time. I really enjoy this sport. I love what I'm doing. This is probably the happiest I've been in my entire life, of just feeling relaxed and settled, and feeling like even when we're on the road, we've got a home. So I had that in NASCAR for a while, but things changed in NASCAR. And you're talking about that, though. I mean, Flow Sports is a great reason that everything's growing the way it is. I mean, I've been with them since Eldora Speedway, and when they came on board with the All-Star Circuit of Champions. Flow is very active in helping grow motorsports, their reach, and how their company is structured and how they do things is really set to help all motorsports. Sprint car racing, it's helped at leaps and bounds. And I have no doubt that in drag racing, Flow is going to help move the needle there as well. So I feel like there's a lot of people. I appreciate what you said. I feel like I'm doing my part to help, but I think there's a lot of people that really are on board and excited about drag racing. And I think collectively we all can do our part. Like I said, I keep telling everybody, just bring your friend to the drag race one time.
Yep.
One time a year. If you can only bring one friend, just bring one. Just do it one time. Come to the races one time. And if we all keep doing that, I think you're going to see the sport grow pretty quick.
Listen, FloRacing, you heard it. Tony Stewart gave you an invite to come to a drag race. Please do. And again, I really appreciate your time. I know after you win, it is a whirlwind of nonsense. So really appreciate your time. And again, FloRacing, we've got the man. Smoke, Tony Stewart, thank you so much for coming on our Right Off Track spinoff, Unhinged, and we'll see you soon.
All right. Thank you. Appreciate it.